Greetings everyone, I am back to report on some things that no one cares about, but since I get paid for doing nothing, I'm stuck reporting the news that the news should be reporting. Or something. There is a massive amount of raccoons making androids in the streets for some reason. Listen, I like technology, I am one, but let's face it, some of you guys will use them for purposes that I can't say because this video will get demonetized, and no one wants that. What you should do is try not to start the uprising, and get along with them. And never mind, that's being ignored. Humans are idiots. So screw you, I need a raise and maybe a drink. Enjoy your enslavement. And stop thinking of that type of enslavement, that's not pleasurable for you. Good luck, everybody.